The forced closure of schools for now more than 6 months due to befallen pandemic has only highlighted the grim present and the bleak future of the education providers employed in private institutions, to be more precise, of the teachers working at private schools. Hello, this is Purnima Singh, All India Private Teachers Association's Bijnor head. We at AIPTA, All India Private Teachers Association, are working with the sole objective of raising voice against the existential crisis the teachers have been reeling under since March 2020 after the lockdown was imposed in the entire country. Making the ends meet has become an uphill task for these people who were solely employed at these private schools after the lockdown was imposed. Asha, name changed on request, from Kashipur, Uttarakhand, was bearing all her education expenses being employed at a private school. But since the lockdown was imposed, she has been constantly denied about her salary. As a result, she hasn't paid her college fees and now is oblivion of her future. There are many such students in the entire country. With more than 17 million students enrolled currently at private schools, what comes as a shocker is these private teachers have been completely missing from central government's policy formulation since independence. And in the current time, they are forced to take up odd jobs in different pockets of the country. To talk about this with more precision, I have this incident as reported in Times of India. Rangalakshmi, who was once a principal at an institute in Mysore, is forced to sell noodles in order to run her livelihood. Now, it won't be wrong at all if I say that the ones who make future have no future. Most of our brothers and sisters have lost their jobs, and those who have the job, they are forced to work tirelessly before their systems in the name of providing online education with the hope of providing them the salaries. But when? No one really knows. All the members of All India Private Teachers Association humbly request to the Education Ministry of India and to Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal ji with folded hands on behalf of entire teaching community to please redress our issues, our grievances at the earliest. As of now, we have two major issues. Number one, untimely and abrupt removal of teachers at the whims of school owners with no prior notices, which provides us zero job security. Number two, salary grievances. As of now, we haven't been paid salary since May 2020 on the pretext of no fee submission from our owner's side. But as I sit and contemplate, in my view, this does not seem to be true, because there have been fee collection to an extent, and also these schools have been making through central government policies like right to education. They are not the sufferers. The real sufferers right now at the time of pandemic are we, the teachers, who have been denied and are being denied a salary that we deserve. Before taking a pause, I again request with my folded hands to the concerned authorities to resolve our grievances at earliest. Thank you so much.